Nice pass. Good. Defense, defense. Sana. Oh. Push up, Joma. Push up, Joma. Push up, push up. Wait time. Push it up. Hey. Hands up. Grab it, grab. Nice! Woo! Grab! Hold it! Defense! Stay there. Grab if you can. Back shot. Nice. Down, Jomar. Nice pass. Oh. Reset.
Never mind. He shoots and he scores.
Let's go. Defense. Jomar, right? Stay down and stay low. Stay there. Pass Dwayne. Move out.
He shoots. He scores.
Good job. Stop, stop. Dwayne. Stay, 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 stay. Hands up, good.
Shut up! Ba't umulit?
Let's go, defense, defense. Oh, box out, Jamar. All yours. All the way, Dwayne, all the way. Good.
Go, 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 go. Hey, boys.
All right, defense, defense. Defense, box out, Joaquin, Nicolas. Nicolas, oh. Nice, oh, pass. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Box out, box out.
22 has the ball.
Please, defense, oh, oh. All the way there.
He gets the ball back again.
Black ball.
FMG's ball.
Hey.
Set, Chris.
Hey, wait for Eli.
Up, oh, pass.
Hey, yes, Sana. Come on, come on, come on. Hey, box out, Joaquin.
Number 8 has the ball. Quarterback Chris.
Defense.
Foul.
Chris.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Ano papasukan?
Hey, baliktad.
Box out, Nicolas. That's 2 shots. Okay. Eli.
FMG is leading by 8 goals. Chris has the ball. Quarterback number 8. It's off. Number 8 passes it to Eli.
Reset, reset.
Eli now has the ball.
Move the ball, move.
8 seconds.
Birthday, birthday.
Hindi, next week ang birthday niyan. Next week ang birthday.
Oh, defense, defense. Black, black. Good, oh.
Chris is now guarded by Kurt. Chris is blocked by number 8.
It's okay, it's okay.
Titigin dito.
Kurt passes it to Dwayne.
Move around, move around. Move, Chris, move.
Dwayne now has the ball.
Uy.
Nicolas, Nicolas.
Nicolas, down.
Sarap.
Get back on defense.
Has the ball.
Defense, defense. Oh. Nicolas, defense. Dalawa.
He now has the ball. Quarterback Chris.
Nicolas, Nicolas, down, Nicolas.
He now has the ball.
Hands up.
3 players.
Good deal. Keep going, keep going. Yeah. Never stop, never stop.
Nakaisa pa yun.
Defense, defense.
Box out, box out.
No screen, no screen.
Hands up, hands up.
Box out. Nice.
FMG's ball. This is the ball.
That's force shot. Hands up. Good, run.
Go down, Nilay.
Green has the ball now. Right, in. On about 3
Foul.
players.
Oh, wala pa rin foul.
On ball.
Ay, tumawag na
Green
foul.
passes it to Chris. Chris shoots.
Move around, Chris.
Shoots. Misses.
Oh.
Intercepted by Chris.
Set.
This gives it to Dwayne and Dwayne passes it back. This gives it to Hakeem. Hakeem shoots.
It's okay.
Got it back to Hakeem.
Chris.
Hey, go back to defense.
You right? Box out. Nicolas, box out.
FMG is now
Nakuha naman. Yung tama.
Lipad sila parehas. Ready, boss. Ready.
Nicolas shoots. Misses. Dwayne now has
Reset, Brain, reset.
Guys in.
Mas matapang yun.
Reset.
And out by
Change back. 3 seconds, saka yung box out, ha? So watch out for this right. Simple video. Careful. You need to move. That's what Tito Noria teach you. You need to move. Okay? 1, please stay. 2, 3. Ito. 5. Ilay, next 5 again. Okay? Next 5 again. Come on, guys. Don't look on the score, okay? Don't look on the score. Don't focus on the lead. Okay? Continue to score. Continue to play defense. Okay? Come on. 3 on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Pag di kaya, to make you move, drop to Prince.
It's learning for you.
Jomar. Head moon.
Dennis, the air ball.
Second ball. No.
No, blue ball.
Starts with the ball. Intercepted by Chris.
Yeah, wait for Prince.
Black ball. Come on.
Support, please. Support.
Chris has the ball.
Move around. Look for your teammates. Look up.
Chris is knocked back.
Alangan.
Rebounds ball. That's the Chris. Intercepted by number 10.
Foul. Wala pa din foul.
Rebounded by Mateo. Passes to Chris.
Front, hands up. Edmund, hands up. Nice D.
And slowed down by Nathan.
Timing talaga yun kasi wala si Jay.
Shot.
3-second violation.
Chris, shot, Chris.
Number 28.
Hey, go down.
Defense, Jomar.
Move.
Wing, Nathan. Hands up.
On the second shoot. And air ball.
Go down, Jomar. Go down. It's okay. Just move. Don't stay long around.
Chris, middle.
Has the ball.
Middle.
Guarded by Chris. Passes it to Prince. Prince shoots. Rebounded by Ward.
Babel, oh.
Ward guarded by Prince.
Oh! Yeah. Ay! Sa pangat! May sakit eh. May lag.
Come on.
Defense! Chris, stop. Hands up lang. Block.
Guys, stay under, Jomar. Stay under.
Ball. Shoots.
Oh, Edmund!
Rebounded by number 7.
Block, stay there.
And then gives
Box out!
number 8 misses again.
Jomar.
Out by her.
Down, Jomar. Prince. on, Drummer, hurry up.
Curtis running back.
Defense, defense. Hands up, hands up. Travel.
And foul by 28.
Box out, ha? Jomar, box out, ha?
Chris. Chris. Third step on the line. Third step on the line. Move back, move back. Box out. Oh, that's yours. Hands up, hands up, hands up.
Good shoots and in. They have now lost 10 points. Running back number 8.
Shoot ball, Chris. Oh, shoot ball, shoot ball. Run, Prince. Wala, mahina eh.
Screen!
Prince gives it. Prince gives it to number 10. Shoots. Assists for by Mason and number 38. Assistant to Kirk.
That's good, that's foul. Good foul, good foul. Chris, go. That's okay, keep me, that's okay. You miss.
Gives it to number 8.
Hands up lang. Oh.
And ball by number
Good. Oh, down.
Chris now has the ball.
Jamar, out.
Shoots. Running back.
Chris. Ano? Hold it.
Chris now has the ball.
Discarte, Chris.
Chris gives it to Nathan. And the ball slips out of Nathan.
Play smart. Shot. Defense. Oh. Hands up. Set.
Set your teammates.
Move.
10 seconds!
Chris. Presence of mind.
Okay, one step.
Hoy, defense. Front. Hands up lang. Oh. Go, Chris.
Intercepts it and Prince shoots. 10 more seconds.
Hoy.
First down.
Hands up lang. Hands up.
Shoots. Misses. That's game. Ken has the ball. He shoots again. He misses.
Defense, down. Hands up. Box out.
Shoots. Misses. Rebounded by Rozier. Misses. Rebounded by Rory. Rory gives it to number 8.
Defense.
Number 8 drives, shoots, misses, rebounded by
Box out.
shoots, air ball, on number
Defense, defense, defense!
Score, two.
Down, Nicolas! Down! Don't wait! Nicolas, down!
Wayne gets it to Nathan. Nathan shoots. This is rebounded by Nathan again. Now
Nicolas! Don't wait! Down!
Wayne gets the ball.
Down, Eli! Down, Eli! Kanya lang. Down!
Wayne gets the ball.
Down, Eli! Down, Eli! Kanya lang. Box out, ha? Box out! Hands up, hands up! Good, Nicolas! That's good! Get back, Eli! Get back! Hands up, get one! Joaquin! Closer! Box out, box out! Hey, box out! Nathan, box out! Down, down! Malas lahat eh. Defense! Box out! Sub, sub.
Hey guys, close up.
Okay, defense. Nicolas!
Come on, Nicolas.
Defense, defense, rebound. Yeah! Set, set, set.
Nathan, play under. Screen, knock down.
Wayne gives it to Nathan. Nathan shoots. Misses.
Go! Again, again!
Wayne now.
Reset, reset! Move, reset, go, reset, reset, set, set. Go! Ooh.
Okay, shoot it. Dwayne, shoot this.
Closer, closer! Abelo.
Drives and gets it in. First move. Wayne has the ball. Automatic curve.
Is that?
And Dwayne shoots.
May kasamang pwede si Chris.
Nathan has the ball.
Hands up! Good D, good D!
Foul.
Pwede lang mag-sub.
Time na lang.
14 minutes.
Set, silver time.
Two shot.
Box out, Nathan, Nicolas. Joaquin. That's good, good hustle, good hustle. Defense, defense. Down, down. Nathan. Box out.
Ball, he shoots. Misses.
Edmund.
Out. SMG ball.
Jaden is good.
Nathan.
Fast break. Watch out for the fast break to break. Okay? Sit down muna.
Rebels. Shoots.
Move on, reset. Move around, reset. Move around. Walking.
Looking for someone to pass to.
Shot. Go. Oh! Go, Nicolas, go! Nicolas, stay there. Oh, good day.
Sub.
So,
Oh, time out. Come on. Sila.
good game, Dwayne.
Edmund, Nathan, Alan, please, wait. Okay? You need to make one more push on this, okay? 13 more minutes. Jaden is there. Again, watch out for the fast break. Okay? Wait, watch out for the fast break. Huh? Block the guy who will make a fast break. Huh? Especially Jaden who will make a fast break before. Okay? Please. Okay? This is defense. We do safety also. Edmund and Nathan. Okay? You can take the shot. If not, bring out the ball for the point guard. Point guard, come closer. Set again. Go in the middle. Okay? Go. 3-1-3. 1, 2, 3.
Richard 19 points, FMT with 34.
Oh, set mo na.
Black ball.
Oh, our ball.
Here, Chris.
Green.
Set. Let's go. Chris, let's go. Nice shot. Good. Easy.
Practice din na.
Hapon. Yung tinuro mo kabila.
Silang tatlo, pwede sila mag-set.
Nice. Edmund. Balance. Wait for your teammate, set. Nice pass. Good job.
Pwede rin si Green ang mag-session doon sa dalawa. Pwede rin si Chris ang mag-session doon sa dalawa.
Kurt passes it back. Jaden.
Chris.
Shoots. Misses.
That's good. Down. Down, Edmund. Easy. Set.
Nathan.
Set your...
Chris has the ball. He's on the way. When his running back is players. Number 9.
Chris, down.
Then shoots. Misses and rebounded by
Stop it. Hands up. Block.
Jaden passes it back.
Chris. Don't go down.
And gives it back to Kurt.
Stay there.
Nice D!
Oh! Okay, set, go!
Shoots.
Pinag-realize it yun. Coming from steal.
Jaden has the ball.
Hindi mo nakuha. Nanonood. Now stay there, Chris.
Jordan shoots. Misses. Rebounded by
Hands up.
Hands up!
Move up, Chris. Shot lang. Ring violation.
Hindi tumama sa ring, pare. Edmund, basa ka, Edmund.
Wait lang, set mo. Wait for Dwayne.
Chris has the ball.
No obvious, not masyad obvious.
Chris gives it to Prince. Prince shoots.
Let's go! Oh, Chris, stop. Hands up lang ha, body lang.
Jaden has the ball.
No screen, Chris, no screen.
Jaden gives it to number 7.
Oh, Chris, wait.
Is going back to his leg. Gives it back to Jaden.
Hands up, hands up. Oy, violation. Shot lang.
Nice D, nice D.
Oh, palit naman sila.
Come on, set.
Dwayne has the
Stay
ball.
up, please, stay up.
Prince gives it to Chris. Going backward.
Obvious, obvious. Go, go, go.
Chris gets it back.
Down, Chris, down. Block lang, block. Anes.
Started by Chris. And give it to number 8. Tries to shoot.
Nice D.
Foul by Sid. Sid switch in.
Box. Dwayne.
Hey, box out.
Box out, Nathan.
Dalawa kayo dyan, no?
Foul by Friends. Good job, Chris.
Down. Hurry up. Next game kayo. Chris. Box out.
Box out.
Wayne Flacco, free throw shot. And bang!
Move up closer. Oh.
Shoots.
Oh.
Makes it in. 3-pointer.
Alam ko, titigil ka rito eh.
Magaling ka lang ako.
Passes it to Jake.
Nahuli yung video mo.
Spin move.
Oh, yan. Kaya mo.
Chris has the ball, gives it to Prince. Sends shoots. Misses. Rebounded by Wayne. Wayne
Go.
Prince gives it to number 10.
Reset.
Go.
Number 10.
Ay, Oh, stop.
Jake has the ball.
Alam mo yun. Last Chris!
Bigay, Chris. Use the board.
The shoots.
Yun, nakakuha isa. Hindi na ka mapagalitan, may isa ka na. Hands up lang, Chris. Oh, defense! Chris, ibabaw.
Jake shoots it.
Nice, Edmond! Hold it! Nathan! Nice, Nathan! Yeah! Deny, Chris! Galing. Set. that's okay. Down. Please. Stop.
Kasi siya na doon pagbalik niya. Hindi pwede nila.
Jaden has the ball. Drive.
Sub!
Next ball.
Good day. Defense. Good shot, Nathan. Box out. Wait. What's it? Wait. Late na naman ako.
Eli.
Box out.
Hey, back to defense, son.
Please.
Dwayne has the ball.
Give screen.
Wait on. Go.
Eli.
Prince now has the ball. He gives it to Chris. Chris gives it to Eli. Eli gives it to Chris. Chris shoots. Misses. Rebounded by number 10.
Set Eli. Hoy! Salubong, Chris. Good job.
Tapang talaga.
Oh, Chris.
Now has the ball. Gives it to Chris.
Galing talaga ni Dwayne.
Pag sila alam mo yun, lalabas kita.
Oh, defense.
Right now has the ball. EJ Wood. EJ. Right gives it to Wooded. Intercepted by Dwayne.
Look for pass.
And he shoots and gets it in. Woo! Get there.
Set. Foul.
Pushing foul ball.
Give Chris.
I carry.
Set mo si Eli.
Number 10 has the ball. Traveled by
Eli.
number 10.
Give screen. Talk to Eli.
Give me a
One more run.
Eli.
Gio.
Hindi ko maalis eh. Baka patayin yung...
Jaden now has the ball. Gives it to number 8. Number 8 tries to get
Nice D. Down, Chris.
Lopez.
Go to Eli. Go, Eli. Again, Eli. Shot.
Eli shoots. Misses.
Ang ganyan yung sila.
Jaden now has the ball.
Good day.
Si Prince. Tsaka si ano.
Dwayne now has the ball.
Nice, Prince. Good job. Eli.
The same words, though.
Dribble first. Edmond, dribble first. Eli,
Sub.
find the free space. Move around. Find the free space.
Green.
Find the free space. Good job. Happy birthday, Grace.
Chris.
Set. Eli. Eli, move around. Ayun na si Eli, oh.
Chris gives it to Eli. Eli shoots.
Let's go! Go, Nicolas! Go! Move! Bigyan mo ka, Nicolas. Go!
And gives it to Aiden.
Get down. Rebound. Nicolas, defense!
Sasiloy pa lang. Sinilaw.
Jaden.
Down! It's okay. Let go. Set, set, set. Down, Nicolas.
Ilay.
Nicolas,
Ilay.
remember what you practice. Ask for the ball.
Chris.
Ask for the ball, Nicolas.
Chris now has the ball.
Ask.
Chris gives it to Eli.
Green, give him his
Eli
face.
running back into the 22.
Oh! Yeah! Eli! Chris, how pass by to Eli?
30 seconds left on the clock. Jake. Get it.
Uy!
Get it. Shoot. And score.
Last shot!
Not the 30.
Eli! Wait lang, wait. Set mo. Go! Foul. Oh, isa pa. Nicolas, up!